Unique but somewhat cool looking shark fin camera. It has since then toned down to a pop-up selfie camera and now the very standard punch hole design, which is also on the Reno 4 Pro. But how does it look now? To answer that question, we have the phone itself with us. So let's open up the box and check it out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on everything that's happening in the tech world. So the first thing that we get when we open up the box is this packet, which has a transparent case inside for the smartphone. It's a rubber case and you have the SIM ejector pin and the manual. Next is the phone itself. This is the Reno 4 Pro, and as you can see, we have the white colored variant with us. The smartphone comes in another color that's black, but we personally like this color variant of the phone. The phone looks really good and premium, and it has a curved display as well. Now let's keep that aside for now and check what else is inside the box. So you have this big charging brick here, which is Oppo's SuperVOOC charger that offers up to 65-watt charging speed. This is the charging cable. And inside here we have the headphones for the Reno 4 Pro. So this is the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. To recap some of its specs, it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. It has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. You get 4 rear cameras at the back with a 48 megapixel primary sensor, and you get a 32 megapixel selfie camera. We'll be back with more such videos where we check out different phones and gadgets, so keep watching this space.